Immobiliser fit, and today we're down at Aston Martin Works protecting this brand new Aston Martin DB12 with a Starline immobiliser. So if a thief got the key, done a relay attack, copied this key and went to steal the vehicle, it's just not going to start up. Or if it starts up, it's going to stall and then die. There you go, vehicle's cut out, they're going to be unable to drive it away. Obviously if it's the customer, they can choose from having a simple tag which they just hang on their keys or in their wallet. So we'll pop the battery in. As you'll see, this will obviously be closed and just hang on your keys. If we start the car now, we'll turn the ignition on, we hear a tone, we can start the car, it remains running, it doesn't stall out, they can drive away. Obviously the battery in the tag can go flat, or you'll forget it, leave it at home. You're going to want to be able to drive the car, so what you can do is keep your foot off the brake, go for a unique code using factory buttons, wait for a tone to confirm your code's gone in, and now foot on the brake and we can start the car and drive away. As you see, it goes into gear, we can drive off, vehicle doesn't stall out. Once we leave the vehicle, this system becomes active straight away. There's no need to do anything on this car. Just as soon as you leave and your tag goes out of range, your vehicle is secure. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and it's the Starline immobiliser on a brand new 2024 Aston Martin DB12. Thanks for watching.